Hello, my name is India.
And my name is Bernice.
And today on Daily Science News, we're going to talk about how wastewater can affect the body hormones and lead to other health risks. Hormones are natural chemicals produced by the body's endocrine system. This system produces hormones that tell various tissues when to turn on and off a particular action. For instance, hormones help people process food, identify hunger, and recognize when it's time to sleep. Hormones can also tell tissues when it's time to grow. Puberty and reproduction, for instance, are controlled by a complex series of hormonal changes. Fracking water can produce hormone-like pollutants that can do harm in one of two ways. Some may block true hormone signals, others may fake out the body, turning on some activity normally triggered by a real hormone. Other risk factors have been found by lead researcher and endocrinologist Christopher Karosky and his co-workers from the University of Missouri and Columbia. Combined 23 hormone-distributing chemicals known to have been used by oil and gas companies for fracking, mixing the chemicals in amounts that might roughly match levels in real fracking wastewater. The energy companies have the exact recipe of the chemicals in their fracking fluids, but lists of some chemicals, such as chemicals that kill microbes or inhibit rust and other forms of corrosion, have been released to the public. In their recent studies, the researchers gave pregnant mice drinking water that contained a cocktail of these fracking chemicals. It has shown that male mice that are exposed to fracking chemicals develop bigger testes which can lead to cysts and other health problems.
The study has also shown that fracking can lead to obesity, but what researchers are more concerned about is the increase in heart defects in babies whose mothers have lived in the past or currently are living near the fracking sites. This has caused a great controversy due to the 1 million sites of gas wells and fracking sites here in the U.S. alone, mainly located around the Rocky Mountains and the Appalachian Mountains. Now, the process of fracking is when energy companies inject liquid into rocks and boreholes and so on, which the chemicals will force open existing fissures, and then they will extract oil or gas. Karosky says, though it is unlikely people would ever encounter those of fracking chemicals as high as those given to the mice, it is possible some human exposures might not be as much lower. Fracking fluids and wastewaters often spill, he explains. This can taint soils and rivers. In January, for example, a leaking pipeline spewed more than 1 million liters, which is 2.9 million gallons, of tracking wastewater, which caused pollution to the entire stream near Wallaston, North Dakota, which is the 48th most populous state due to the controversial oil and gas drilling, which is known as fracking. Williston is now a bomb town, which population is planning to go up to 50,000 by 2025. So the energy companies are trying to solve this issue and make sure it doesn't happen again. But there is odds for it to happen again, not just in North Dakota. There have been other cases of fracking spills of wastewater in West Virginia and Pennsylvania. In another research done by environmental consultant firm shown that gas consumption is up to 4.5 million gallons of clean water. The companies use up to 4.5 million gallons of clean water to track single well in Pennsylvania, and that more than half of the water is treated and then discharged into surface water such as rivers, streams, leaving behind some big water worries. Now the big question is, what is the government going to do to solve this problem?
For more information, please visit our website at dailysciencenews.org.